Here with what he expects from Netflix results is Jason Helfstein, Oppenheimer head of Internet Research. Jason, welcome. Good to have you with us. Tell us what you're expecting Netflix to say today. And I guess the number that most people watch closest is net ads.
Correct. I mean, they guided for 1 million. We think, the street's there. Could it be a little better, a little worse? I actually think this quarter doesn't matter. It's really more the update that they give you as they've been leaking out information on the new ad tier product, right? So that it's basically coming in, $1 below Disney. We've seen some data that suggests churn should get better in the fourth quarter. So I think it's more if they're assuming they guide for the fourth quarter, we're at 5.3 net ads, 5.3 million for the fourth quarter. The street's at 3.9. So we're definitely more bullish than the street there. But really, it's how we see the story evolving over the next 12 months is kind of why we have the outperform rating.
Do the net ads go up so much in the fourth quarter because of ads? Because of that ad-driven tier?
Again, it's not because of ads. It's by bringing a lower price tier. It should reduce churn, right, or people kind of canceling. Secondly, we think their content slate should, with all of the competitors who launched, Paramount Plus, as well as Peacock, there was just a flood of content to get those services kind of, up and running. And so we think it's just been a few challenging quarters for Netflix on the content side. We think fourth quarter should get a bit more normalized. So I think some of it's seasonality. You usually add more subs in the fourth quarter. We think the comparisons versus competitors get easier. And then bringing the lower price new tier should reduce churn. And then we have done our own work that suggests there are customers, who will rejoin Netflix at a lower price or who have never been Netflix subscribers who will join.
We didn't see it on the competition list, but Amazon, clearly competition, and they have just announced, just crossing, that they're going to have a new football game from the NFL on Black Friday next year. Netflix doesn't have live sports and live streaming. Is that a huge hurdle when you're looking at the competition?
I don't think so. I mean, Netflix has never had sports, and if you think about Amazon, in most countries, the content was a nice add-on when you were already paying them for the Prime, shipping service. Clearly bringing sports, will help them. As you get that marginal customer who says, I don't know if I'm going to get the value out of Prime, or in certain international countries where the Prime offering may not be as robust or as fast as it is in the US or parts of Western Europe. Look, I understand why Amazon's doing it, but that's not what I'd be worried about with Netflix. I just think the other non-sports oriented competitors lost a lot of money on launching their streaming services this year, and they're going to have to be more rational. And, basically, unless they're going to start pulling shows off of linear TV to put them on their streaming services, I think you're going to see a more level playing field with content next year.